so in this session we are going to discuss about the managing the files, and we are discussing about the backup the files and restoring the file, and doing the zip, using the zip different techniques, and copy the data, like if the data in a big format, like we are using the simple copy the data. But when we are going to bit by bit, copy bit by bit, then we will use the dd command. So we will discuss all these things in this session. So let's start. First command is a tar. Tar actually is short form of the tar wall. If you go online and search, so you will find lots of the information related to this. So this is a bundle files into a single file for a easier management. Like there is a multiple files here, the 10 files or the 100 files. So if you want to manage those files or taking the backup those files, so you can get into the one specific location or in a one particular bundle. So we'll use the particular bundle and put all the files inside the bundle. Whatever the new file you will create, you can also add in this file, in this bundle. So what is the use of the bundle? Sometime you have seen like zip, already you know about this, where you will download the zip folder and you can unzip this folder and you will find all the content inside the zip folder. Similar. So what is the generally use of the creating the bundle to making the backup of the files? Like you can make the bundle and put somewhere else on another location. If these files has been missed, deleted or modified or compromised, then you can restore these files from the backup. So what are the most used options with the tar command? Tar command used -c for create a tar wall, and -x for the extract. Means if you are creating, then you will use -c. If you will extract the files from the zip folder, then you can use the -x. Now you can extract from the tar wall. So you will use the -x option. If you want to test the files or check the list of the files, then you can use the -t option. -b use the verbose output, means whatever the output will be happened or will be executed, it will be display on the screen. -r is used for the append the files if any existing the archives. For the example, I have added this 10 file in a tar wall, and later on I have added one more file, but this file already exists, so it will be append. Okay, and -f is used to specify the tar wall and their file name. These commands are used for creating the tar. So here is a demonstration. You will use the touch command and create file 1, file 2, file 3, and you can use the tar command and -c for the create v and f options. I have told you already. Then give the archive name. Whatever name you can give, the any backup name, home backup or tool backup, whatever you can do it, and then tar, and then provide the location or the files, how many files you want to add. If you want to check the content of the files, means which type of the content inside this archive, so you can use the tar-tf option. Now add the create new file and add this file by using the tar and r option. Append this and file 4. So you can see the 4 files content is there. If you want to remove all the files, so you can use the -f option. If you want to extract the data, you can extract by using this. So all these content can be used. These commands can be used with the tar command. So another is a cpio command, which is actually used for the copies a directory and their tree, means directory and inside all the tree as a backup. So later on, if you deleted data or anything happened mishappening with the data, so you can do the backup and restore later on. So one is -o option can be used. So it will be copy out of the file system data, means backup, create the backup. If you will use the -i option, it will restore the backup. Means when this is your system and here is the pen drive or the hard disk, external hard disk you have connected, and you want to create a backup out of the file system, it will be known as a backup, and -o option is used. When you are restoring inside the file system, then it called is a restore. -b option used for the verbose mode. So another case here, dd command is used for the creating the copy of the disk, complete hard disk, complete volume, complete partition, or any files. These files will be copies and converts the files into the specific extension. Generally, dd command is used for the transferring the files from one to another media types. For the example, there is a one ISO file I have downloaded, the CompTIA Linux ISO file, which having the 3.5 GB data. I want to copy this ISO image into the another USB drive or the pen drive or hard disk, so I can use the dd command. So dd command also have the capacity or the ability to control the transferring flow. Means I will decide the data will transfer on the speed of the 355 KB or more than this. So we can define this. We can specified also the size, create the file of the specified size.